I saw your story on the Irish Independent website, and my heart just went out to you because I know exactly how you felt back from when we were in the loss of the boom back in the day. So with solar being so good to us over the last number of years, we felt that we wanted to reach out to yourself and help you out. So I got in contact to the Irish Independent and on Facebook and social media, and I got your contact. And from then to now, with the help of my suppliers, I'm able to supply you with your system that you originally had asked for or paid for.
The last time I was talking to, I was in kind of a very bad, not a bad way, but I was upset about, the problem that I had with losing my money and not getting solar panels and so on. So basically, in the meantime, Ronan from Alternative Energy has got in touch with me, and himself and his company and his suppliers, and it seems like the whole solar industry in Ireland anyway have kind of come up with the goods. Basically, I've got exactly what I've got better than I was going to get. I haven't lost any money. I paid exactly the same money I was going to pay, and now I've got like solar panels on my roof, got a battery in my attic, got my car charger out the side. It's a nice sunny day. I'm making loads of electricity. I'm delighted. So yeah, it turned into a kind of a good news story. So I'm really happy with it.